Welcome to Max Trader. Stocks to watch on May 1st week. In this video, we are going to see about some stocks which we can trade in the coming week. That means May 1st week of 2021. This video is only for educational purpose. You can just watch and trade at your own risk. Max Trader, our YouTube channel. In this channel, we are posting the levels of Bank Nifty and Nifty and some stocks. You can watch daily and use these levels for your intraday trading. We are also giving training. If you wish to join, you can call us on this number. The first stock we are going to see for this week is Amara Raja Battery. Last week, it went to an high of 826 after falling down. This 826 seems to be a good resistance for this stock. In the coming week, it will go down and then it will try to break this 826 levels. Okay, so if it breaks that 826 levels, you can see another 50 to 80 points in the coming days. So watch for the Amara Raja Battery to break the levels of 826. If it breaks the 826 levels, you can see good buying coming in this stock. So watch this Amara Raja Battery to reach 826. Next important stock we can see is TCS. TCS in the last week, it came down from the top of 3354. It reached down to 3020. This stock seems to be weak. The last support applied in this stock is 3020. In coming days, if it breaks the levels of 3020, we can see some good fall till this low. That means 2880. If this low is also broken, you can see some good selling till 2500. So be alert in this stock. Avoid positional long in this stock. This stock seems to be weaker, so trade at your own risk. 3020 seems to be the last good support for this stock. Next important stock is DLF. This stock from the high of 332 came down to 231. In this down rally, now it reached a small high and then now it is in the range of 247.30. The low is 243.15. There seems to be some good support at this range. That means 243.15. In the coming days, if it breaks this 243 levels, that means 240 levels, you can see some good selling coming in the stock. So next target will be 220 levels. So avoid long in this stock also because the stock is not making any up move. Every time if it goes to one up, then it comes down. Only lower highs it has been created. So if this low, that means 240 is broken, you can see some good selling coming in this stock. Next important stock is ITC. ITC is falling from a top 238. From that levels, it is falling down. Now it is in the range of 200.55. This 200 seems to be a good support for this stock. In the coming days, it should not break this 200 levels. In case if it breaks the 200 levels, you can see some selling coming in this stock. So be alert in longs in ITC. Hindalco. In the month of February, it started its upward journey and reached a high of 376.50. And then next another day it reached a high of 377.30. Next it reached 377. So 377 seems to be a higher resistance for this stock. This 377, if it breaks in the coming days, you can see good up move. That means nearly to 425 rupees you can see. You can expect a 50 rupees movement above 377 in this stock. So watch Hindalco to break and close above 377 in the coming week. These stocks are mostly for positional trades, not for intraday. These stocks you can buy and keep in your portfolio for some times. You calculate your own risk and then you trade at your own risk. This video is only for educational purpose. Let us meet in the next week in some other video about another 5 stocks. Every weekend we used to post some videos about some stocks to be traded in the coming week. So keep watching our channel. Please share our videos to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.